There's obviously some really good things in working, and the new coffee machine downstairs is not really bad, which makes it a good thing to come in the morning. And then some of the jobs that come our way are interesting, and then of course as you come towards the end of a semester at a university, people get tired and spirits are down, and resilience is important. And it's resilience I just want to talk about today, because I think what we've seen is the need for a resilient and strong economy. And perhaps what's one of the key things about New Zealand at the moment, over the last 3 or 4 years, we've continued to have positive rates of return. Inflation seems to be largely under control. Not the stellar growth rates that one might see in East Asia and North Asia, but nevertheless relatively strong. But these sort of things do come at a price, and protecting them is essential. Looking at the damage that has been caused on the east coast of the US by storms, I might say, well, should we be able to build to protect against that level of huge winds, waves, etc.? And if we do build up or strengthen our building codes so that we can stand up against that, what sort of engineering reports and so on are going to be needed? So we're confronting that in Christchurch, and you get a whole stack of people that are unhappy about the delays. Yet if we allowed a rebuild and it fell over with the next significant quake, how much more would people be upset? So you get these pressures in different directions. Got pressures at the moment about the broadband rollout. And it seems to me that this investment in infrastructure and getting it right is really important, whether we believe in global change on the weather fronts or not. We need to think about undergrounding power. We need to think about ensuring the subways don't get flooded, that sea walls are the right height, that the building platforms will handle earthquakes, etc. And so the importance of engineering, the importance of property groups, the importance of those that invest heavily in property, property councils, for example, I think are going to have a stronger and more important voice in the direction in which the economy will go over the next few years. So I think in research, consideration of issues around infrastructure are the critical things for the next couple of decades, not just here in New Zealand, but internationally, if we're going to provide a platform that will support continued globalisation of trade and development.